Hi, and welcome to the third episode of the Japan Guide Kitchen, our little side project in which we focus on simple Japanese recipes to try at home. And in this video, I'm going to be making Japanese rolled omelette, or tamagoyaki. The ingredients we need are pretty basic. Eggs, of course, milk, soy sauce, sugar, salt, vegetable oil, and a frying pan. Let's get cracking on this excellent adventure. Break the eggs into a bowl and wobble them a little bit for your Instagram boomerang shot. When that's done, add some sugar, salt, milk, soy sauce. It shouldn't be gassy like that. And mix everything together. Oil your heated frying pan with a piece of kitchen paper. Then pour a thin layer of the egg mixture into the pan. When the bottom has set, start rolling or folding that first layer towards you. Now easy does it. Next, pour another layer of the egg mixture, making sure that the rolled omelette gets some fresh egg too. Repeat the process until all the egg has been used up. If your egg looks more round than blocky, you can just roll with that or shape it into a block like what I'm gonna do before slicing. Ta-da! My tamagoyaki desu! You can eat it on its own as a side dish or in a sandwich. They're all good. I hope you enjoyed this cooking video. Let us know in the comments below if you've made this before or gave this a try. This is the last egg cooking video for a while, I promise.